Jagdtiger.SD KFC 186. Other designation, Jagdpanzer 6. Type, heavy tank destroyer. Manufacturer, Nibelungenwerk. Chassis number, 305001-305077. 77 produced from July 1944 to March 1945. Crew, 6. Weight, 70 tons. Length, 10.65 meters. Width, 3.63 meters. Height, 2.95 meters. Engine, Maybach HL 230P30. Gearbox, 8 forward, 4 reverse. Speed, 38 kilometers per hour. Range, 170 kilometers. Armament, 1 12.8 centimeter. Pack 44 L55. Traverse, 10 degrees left, 10 degrees right by hand. Elevation, minus 7.5 to 15 plus degrees. Sight, WZF2-7. Ammunition, 40 Panzergranate and Sprenggranate. Armor, excuse me. Superstructure front. So on the front there is 250 millimeters at 15 degrees. The upper hull is 150 millimeters at 50 degrees. The lower hull is 100 millimeters at 50 degrees. Early in 1943, orders were given to design a heavy self-propelled anti-tank gun by mounting the 12.8 centimeter gun on a Tiger II chassis. A wooden model of the enormous vehicle is displayed on 20 October 43 and the finished prototype in April 1944. Two Jagdtiger numbers 305001 and 305004 were built with the Porsche-designed longitudinal torsion bar suspension. This proved unsatisfactory and delayed production until the Jagdtiger had been redesigned with a torsion bar suspension. The initial series was for 150, but an order issued in October 1944 stipulated that when these had been completed, production capacity was to be used for building the Panther. However, this was reversed in January 1944 with an order to continue the assembly of the Jagdtiger as fast as possible. A Jagdtiger mounting the 8.8 centimeter L71 was designated at SDKFC 185, but this never went into production. Specific features. The Jagdtiger had the same suspension as the Tiger II, but its hull was lengthened. The superstructure had a very box-like appearance, with the sides being formed by the continuation of the upper hull sides. The hull machine gun mount was retained in the hull front as a secondary armament to the 12.8 centimeter Pack 44, mounted in the superstructure front. Combat service. The Jagdtiger was issued to only 2 combat units, Panzerjägerabteilung 653 and Schwer Panzerabteilung 512. The 653rd was employed on the Western Front during the Ardennes offensive and later with the 512th in the defense of Germany proper in such actions as that of the Remagen bridgehead on 10 March 1945. So here we have a rear view of a Jagdtiger. Here's Jagdtiger with Henschel suspension. Henschel suspension. And Porsche suspension. So this piece right here, an example thereof, is in the UK. Only surviving example of a Porsche Jagdtiger. And this one, there's only 2 examples of Henschel suspension examples, one in the United States and one in Russia. Jagdtiger production.